Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share layout 4 for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit for January 2021. This one I will be starting out with a sketch from Page Maps. It's this one here, and this is from January 2021. I'll show you a close-up before I come back and show you the actual layout that I create. I'm going to use one photo instead of two, and I've got my title already pulled, and it's called Occupied for Hours. I don't know if you can tell on the photos, but my granddaughter has a quarter on her nose, as does my grandson. Yeah, great story, but I'll tell you all about that in a few minutes. Anyway, I've pulled the sticker sheet that I have with this collection. I don't know how much of this I will use. I did pull a small alphabet because I might use it. I don't know. I pulled different embellishments. These are all the other sticker sheets that I have with the collection. I pulled a pocket page card, but I'm going to fussy cut that tag out. And then I pulled some scraps. I have one full sheet of solid 12 by 12 pattern paper here. And the back side is that red stripe. And then I pulled a sheet of black cardstock. I pulled these scraps. And then I pulled this 6 by 6 page here. I'm going to see what I can create with this stuff that I have pulled together, and I will be back. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I created. Okay, I've finished another layout. So, reminder, it's this sketch that I'm using. As far as pattern paper, this is what I have left. I have quite a few little scraps left, and I pulled in an 8.5 by 11 to map my photo. So those will go into my leftovers to continue to play with. I used my liquid pearls. I used 3 different rolls of washi, the red, the green, and the black. I finished off this sticker sheet. Yay! I used these sequins, the lighter brown. I used the gemstones here. I used these arrows with the silver metallic finish. I used this alphabet, of course, for my title. I used brads. I used a couple of these stickers, and I used a couple of these stickers. And I don't think I didn't use anything from that one. I thought I did. And here is my completed layout. It is called Occupied for Hours, and it says 25 days until Christmas. And I did that kind of as a jest. Like I was saying earlier, my older grandson, Caden, decided to have the younger grandson, Merritt, and granddaughter, Zoe. He was babysitting, and he wanted to keep them busy and occupied. And so whoever could balance the quarters on the end of their nose for the longest got to keep their quarters and the other person's quarter. And so for nearly 2 hours, these two guys were absolutely still. Yeah, such a smart kid to come up with such an idea. I don't think I ever would have come up with it. But anyway, I did my journaling up here on one of those stickers at the top. I used some wood veneer. I used some of the little houses that were in this paper. On my scrap, I cut them out. I have 2 scraps of paper here. I used that piece from the 6 by 6 here. The washi tape strips go all the way across the back. I have 1, 2, 3 stickers that I had left over from the Jenny Boleyn collection. More wood veneer, houses. I put the houses in each little cluster, the wood veneer, the red dots, and I even did the, what do you call it? The stickles, not stickles, liquid pearls. That's it. That's layout number 4 from my January 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to do this every month where I create my kit at the first of the month and then go at some point get all these done, and I will show them in succession towards the end of the month. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being here. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. And you can hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.